years we have prayed for a village. You know, they say it takes a village to raise a child. So we wanted to be able to put up a safe place, a permanent place, where kids could come and stay temporarily while they recover from illness or while they're displaced from their families. Finally, the Lord has given us a piece of land in a mountain. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, it takes a village to raise a child. Would you be part of our village? When children come to Helping Hands, they often come in feeling really sad. And what we want to teach them is that you don't rely on yourself, because He is more than able.
When did I start to forget all of the great things you did? When did I throw away faith for the impossible?
The Children's Recovery Unit is a safe, healing environment, a place for kids to come from far-flung provinces to recover in, to really get well. And once we get them well, we get them reunited with their families.
Why do I talk myself out of seeing miracles? You are more than able. You are more than able. You are, you are. You are more than able, yeah. We've seen it. You are more than able. Who am I to deny what the Lord can do?
The Junior Mentoring Programme, or JUMP as we call it, is a capacity building programme for our team. Whether they are for adoption or for independent living, they still need to learn life skills. They need to have confidence. They need to be built up emotionally and spiritually. And that is what we do at JUMP.
Does miracles, you do miracles. You are more than able. You are more than able. We know it. You are more than able. We've seen it, we've seen it. We've seen it, we've seen it. You are more than able. Who am I to deny what the Lord can do?
The community programme was started in response to the pandemic. We needed to find a way to still be able to help kids get the medications that they needed, but be able to do it and deliver it straight to their homes.
What the Lord can do. time, yeah, you still can do